Now the LDF is likely to get 10 out of the 14. And this is the result of the political line that was followed by the CPIM of posing alternate policies to the BJP-led central government policies and stridently opposing their efforts to deepen communal polarization. Secondly, this is a result of the people's appreciation of the work done by the LDF government in terms of meeting the natural disasters that occurred, the huge natural disasters that happened, and also regarding the pandemic. And it is the result of that good work amongst the people that you see this verdict that has come. Thirdly, I think this verdict is a total rebuff and completely negates the entire disinformation campaign conducted by the BJP and the Congress-led UDF against the LDF, against this government, and personally targeting the Chief Minister, and the character assassination that was done, with the central government using the central agencies like the Enforcement Department, etc., in trying to target and destabilize this government. All this has been answered by the people in these elections. So we think that the great boasting that was done by the BJP, that they are going to have a massive advance in these elections, capture the Trivandrum Corporation, all that has been completely negated. So therefore we once again salute our people of Kerala, the workers of the LDF, who've done a remarkable campaign maintaining the decorum, the COVID protocols, and the people of Kerala for coming out to vote in large numbers.
Do you think the intervention by the Civil Service Committee during these 2 months, the Police Act or Secretary, etc., that was
Well, the people have seen all these things. We, as I told you, always, we are a party. Whatever be the discussions we have inside us, the net result finally is the party line. There we are all united. And that I think people have understood. They've seen that here is a party that responds to people's reactions. Here is a party that is conscious and cognizant of what the people want. And here is a party that delivers. So I think that is the meaning of the verdict.
This is also implying that the LDF may go to the next elections under the leadership of...
All that, the elections come, at that time we'll let you know. That is all. Right now, this is a big victory, and therefore, once again, congratulations and salutes to the people of Kerala. Okay, thank you.
ചരിത്ര വിജയം എന്നതാണ് CPM ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറി സീതാറാം യെച്ചൂരി പറയുന്നത്. രാഷ്ട്രീയ നിലപാടുകൾക്കുള്ള അംഗീകാരമാണ്. വസ്തുതാവിരുദ്ധമായ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഉയർത്തി മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയെ ലക്ഷ്യമിട്ടുകൊണ്ട് കോൺഗ്രസും BJPയും നടത്തിയ പ്രചാരണങ്ങൾക്ക് ജനങ്ങൾ മറുപടി നൽകിയിരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് കൂടിയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പറയുന്നത്.